What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim gifts on Steam. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or you can type in store.steampower.com. In both the cases, you will be welcome to this homepage of Steam. Now after coming here, on the right side at the top, you will see the option of login. Simply click on that and log in with your email and password. But if you already have logged in, you will see your email ID or your Steam ID here. And after logging in, hover here to your ID and then go to inventory. After coming to the inventory, you will see this trade offers button, and then on the right side of trade offers, you will see the option of more button. When you click on this more button, a drop down menu will appear, and from here, click on view gift history. Now, after clicking here, you will see the gift history of the gifts that are pending to receive, or the gift that you have already received, or the gifts that you have sent. The gift history will have the record of all the gifts. This is how you can claim the gifts on stream. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.